we have yet another beautiful, like legitimately beautiful modern house and lot for sale here in Quezon City. It's in an exclusive subdivision. It's got all the appliances already included. And man, oh man, if you're after aesthetic and practical, this is it. So make sure you watch the full house tour. Also, I went around here for the first time with you guys during this whole tour and I was genuinely surprised. Hopefully you will be too. We have a brand new house and lot for sale here in Quezon City. So as you can see, it has a very wide frontage. On the left portion, which is actually basically half of the front already, is your gate, automated gate for your 3-vehicle car slot. And then over here you have your pedestrian gate. So let's go in. Also, needless to say though, the plants are beautiful and that really adds to the beauty of the facade, as well as the garden that you see here the moment you enter. So again, you have garden space here on the right side with a pathway leading to the side of the house, and then some steps leading to the main entrance as well as your 3-vehicle carport. You also have a side gate over there at the far left. Okay, so let's go through the main entrance, which by the way is a solid wooden door with a digital door lock as well as a side glass panel on the left. Oh wow, wow. And as you enter, you have your living area. So you have really high ceiling. You have this beautiful main stairs here with a tree in the middle. I love that. Ang ganda niya tignan. Aliwalas also. And then you've got some texture. You have some wooden slats for the ceiling. You have your pin lights. You have matte black for accents, as well as for the directional lighting that you have. And then from here, you can go to several areas. I want to go here first. So obviously, this is already a spoiler, right? You have a beautiful backyard. Okay, so here on the ground floor, you have bedroom number 1. What a beautiful bedroom. You have high ceiling, you have lots of tall windows that let in so much natural light, as well as a view of your backyard, which has a swimming pool. Then you have this wide hallway, which is where your wardrobe is, as well as the door leading to your ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, your toilet, and your enclosed shower space. Again, you still have high ceiling, cove lighting, down lights. You have a vent up there, but you do have an awning window, which again will give you natural ventilation. Flooring is, looks like hard. Well, they're wooden planks. I'm just not quite sure what the material is, but it's really nice. Well, ako kasi naka-boots, but the rest of the team are wearing socks, and it's nice for the feet. And then the more common areas are tiled. We'll check out the backyard later. Technically naman kita nyo na siya because you can see through the windows. Anyhow, in this portion, technically it's open space, but it does feel like a different area thanks to the layout. So here you have your dining and your kitchen. So you have a bar over here, and then for the counter or island counter, and then you have your stove in the middle also, as well as your range. And then you have storage underneath. And then on the other side, again, you have more counter space, more storage, and then your built-ins. So you have your refrigerator, your microwave, your oven, your sink, and then a dishwasher. This is water. And then other appliances. And I believe kasama to mga appliances na to. Okay, so generally your kitchen is white, matte black, and wood. If you guys have been following this channel, you guys know that I love the combination of all of that, as well as white, of course. And then, oof, let's go through this door first. Although that is, okay. All right, we're not gonna go through this door. This is storage. Sorry, guys. Let's go through here instead. So right next to your kitchen, you have a double action swing door with a glass panel, which will lead us to the, one step down, which will lead us to the daily kitchen. Industrial daily kitchen, mind you. So you have your sink, your stove, and then another set here for your laundry. Again, with a sink and then your washing machine, Meron na ring vacuum. Again, all the appliances that you see here, including the refrigerator, the rice cooker, and this one, of course, kasama na siya. You also have a window that has a view of your 3 vehicles out in front. And then this door leads to the side of the house, which will also lead you back out to the carport, as well as the staff quarters. So there are 2 doors over here. It's actually a very spacious side area. Marami ka pa pwede ilagay dito if you needed to. Not that you have to, just if you want to. So maybe you were looking for a dream house like this, or maybe you're selling a dream house like this. Well, regardless of what your property is, if you want us to help you sell your property and add it to our listing, no problem. You can enlist with us. Go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. And then this door, if I'm not mistaken, is a it's also staff quarters. So iba pa yung staff quarters sa labas, iba yung staff dito. May storage din dun. Okay. Oh, look at that. We're not even gonna go out anymore. We're just gonna go there at the end of the video at this point because you already know that there's gonna be a beautiful swimming pool, excuse me, and a deck out there for us to hang out in. And over here, you have your guest accessible powder room with your sink, your urinal, and your toilet. Again, you still have high ceiling, you have a beautiful pendant lamp, and then a huge window for ventilation. Pero meron pa ring exhaust. Okay, I'm actually quite excited to go up. So let's head up the 2nd floor. But before we do that, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. We also have a condominium listing. If you guys are interested, head on over to our Instagram at Presello_condos. And if you want to see more of our listings with 3D models, yes, we have those on our website. Make sure you go to www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. Okay, so the huge windows over here are fixed, but the ones here, the layer na to, they have a screen, so you can open those up to let the air flow. Tapos meron kang cross ventilation from this window versus the one across that, this. Okay, so 2nd floor, you have this open hallway that lets you see everywhere. Okay, so wide hallways. You have access to a balcony here at the front of the property. It's a square balcony. And then this is another balcony at the back naman. And then this portion, it's up to you if you want to use it as storage or as a kitchenette or even an office. So bahala na kayo what you want to do with this space, but it's there. Then we have 3 doors. So let's check this one out first. So here we have bedroom number 2. Wow, nag-iba agad yung audio. You still have high ceiling, cove lighting, pin lights, and a main light there in the center. You have lots of space. Again, beautiful flooring. And lots of natural light. I love it. It smells really nice in here too. I wish you guys could also smell yung may bagong bahay. Okay, you have here your matte black built-in wardrobe. And then you have a door that leads to your ensuite, toilet and bath with your sink, your toilet, and your enclosed shower space. Again, there's a vent, pero meron ding bintana sa taas for natural ventilation. I mean, steam rises naman, diba? So, tama lang yun. And then here at the end of the hallway, we have, well, okay. This one they've used as an entertainment room or family room, but if you needed a bedroom, this could be a bedroom, especially since you have an ensuite toilet and bath right here with, again, your sink, your toilet, and then your enclosed shower space. Can I just say, I don't know if it's gonna register sa camera, but that window with a little bit of the roof and then mostly the sky looks like a painting. Masyang painting, ang ganda. So we're gonna count this as bedroom number 3. And then over here, we have bedroom number 4. Wow, look at that. I love seeing rooms with sunlight streaming from the windows. I love them. Okay, so you have a lot of space for this one. Actually, lahat naman na rooms maraming space, but this one more so. You have your built-in wardrobe over here, this time not matte black, but in this medium wood, natural wood. You have access to the balcony at the back that we saw earlier. And then of course you have an ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, your toilet, and then the enclosed shower spaces behind the door. By the way, guys, if you weren't aware, we actually do have a YouTube membership channel where we dish out exclusive content. Now, there are 3 tiers, the highest tier being Presello Fam, where you get exclusive videos, live streams, as well as access to our Discord, where you get to hang out with the entire Presello team. Pretty cool, right? So if you're interested, make sure you check that out and become a member so you can hang out with us soon. Then, the last door that we have yet to go through is right by the main entrance. And by the way, even the automated floor cleaner is included. I'm not sure what the cleaning robot is included. Here we go. And bedroom number 5. The primary bedroom. Again, you have lots of space. You already have your headboard over here with the which is backlit, and all the switches are here on the side. And also has some outlets for charging. You have access to a balcony that peers over your swimming pool. Then you have extra space here for a desk. Meron na ring outlet over there, and meron dito at may abang din na extra if you needed it. Forward thinking. Then you have a portion here that's a walk-through closet, and then at the end of it, you have your ensuite toilet and bath. So you have your his and her sinks, your digital mirror, an enclosed shower space here by the corner window rin siya, mind you. Frosted naman, don't worry. You have your toilet, your urinal, and you have a bathtub on this end with a product nook by the wall. It's a beautiful toilet and bath. Okay, so that has been it so far. And the only thing we haven't seen is the backyard. So I am gonna head down there while you watch these alluring B-rolls. So here we have the backyard. Again, it's a swimming pool with a beautiful deck. You have some lounge chairs and then some seating for your grill. And then you have some a gate over there on the right side of the property. And then of course, also some access to the kitchen here on the left. Okay, so now, medyo nawala yung araw. But yeah, so sorry, numbers. You have 550 square meters of floor area and then 400 square meters of lot area. 5 bedrooms, 6 toilet and baths, a 3-vehicle carport with an automated gate, a powder room, a swimming pool here out in the back, lovely open areas for your living, dining, and kitchen, and then a separate service area, both as your daily kitchen or dirty kitchen and your laundry. And all of this is inside an exclusive subdivision here in Quezon City. So if you're anyone you know is interested in a place like this, make sure you send this video to them. But if you want to see it for yourself, and you should, because houses like this go out of the market easily kasi ang ganda niya. It's a good find. So if you want to go here and check it out for yourself, make sure you send us a message or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. to see more house tours, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more of our build your owns or BYOs, click here. And if you want to see more of our other content, click right here. Also, if you haven't subscribed,